Sam! P127 is gone! Start searching now!
You're safe now. You're part of our family now. Pippin! 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 Shall we play ball after eating?
I will pass to you.
Clean the table after eating first.
Do not run while eating.
Yes, Mom. Did you hear that, Dad?
Sounds like it is outside. Let me go check.
Everyone walk slowly.
A real penguin!
How can it be here?
It seems to be lost.
Be good. Do not be afraid.
Dad, he is shivering.
There is a collar on its neck. Let's bring it inside first.
It is not hurt.
Thank goodness.
There is a small lock here.
Can you open it?
Yes, I can.
Does it hurt him?
No, do not worry.
Arctic Penguin Park. P1027.
Where is that?
Probably its home.
So it really is lost.
I will call you Pippin, okay?
The name sounds fitting.
Just a temporary name.
We must find its owner.
He likes me already. This collar is very important.
I will look up the information this afternoon.
Do not be afraid, Pippin. Does Pippin eat fish, Mom?
That is right, dear.
I will make a bed.
I will find more information.
Try scanning the code. Here is the website.
Did you find it?
No contact info yet. We will keep looking.
Pippin, come here.
He eats so well. He has been hungry.
Eat slowly.
Pippin, wait for me! Do not drop the fish. Keep eating.
He seems to like Lily.
It seems so. Let's try playing.
Very good. Ah! One more time. Pippin likes water. He looks so cute.
Do not get the whole yard wet.
Pippin got used to our house fast.
Will you stay with us forever?
Pippin has a home too.
His family must be very worried. I understand.
Dad, I found it. It is this exact park.
Very good.
Is there a phone number?
I do not see one.
I will send an email this afternoon.
We will help you go home.
I still do not see an email.
I will go hang the laundry.
Pippin, catch catch it! Look over here! Smile! Where is Pippin?
He was just here.
What happened?
Everyone stay calm.
I will search the left.
I will search the right.
We will search near the house.
Pippin!
No footprints.
Check more carefully.
Pippin, come back!
Do not worry.
Dad, Pippin's footprints. Pippin! More footprints here.
Let's keep going.
Do not run.
Why, Dad?
I am afraid of startling him.
Let's take it slow. Pippin! Come here! I found you!
Thank goodness.
You worried Mom so much.
Do not run around next time.
International call.
Who is calling?
Hello?
Hello, I am Sam.
I am Mark.
I am calling from Arctic Penguin Park.
It is the right park.
Do you still have P10027?
Yes, we do.
What is going on?
He said that P1027 was named Pippin.
That is his real name.
Oh, you guessed right.
I knew it! Pippin is very adorable.
How did Pippin get to my house?
2 weeks ago, we transported Pippin to an animal conservation center near your city for a health check. Pippin accidentally escaped, ran away.
So that is why.
That is Pippin's home.
Does Pippin have to go?
Yes, he does.
I do not want to.
I am sad too.
Dad understands.
Can we just keep him?
We should not.
Why?
If you got lost, would you want to go home?
Yes, I would. Do you miss everyone? Peep. I understand.
Are you okay?
I am sad. Will Pippin forget me?
I am sure he will not.
We will go home tomorrow.
Pippin understands that. I will book the tickets.
Book them now.
I will watch with you.
We depart tomorrow morning.
We are bringing Pippin home.
Tomorrow, we will go back together.
It is time.
We have everything.
Almost home. Let's go. Do not worry.
Everyone is here.
We are almost there.
This trip is very special.
Everything is valid.
Good boy. Is Pippin homesick?
He probably is.
Let's go.
Look at the clouds.
So beautiful.
Are you okay?
Yes, I am.
Hello, Pippin. It is exactly P-11027.
Are we going to the park now?
Let's go.
Go on now.
Pippin is hesitant to leave.
You tell him.
This is your home. Your friends are waiting.
Thank you for taking care of Pippin.
Pippin will always remember you.
I will too.
See you again. See you again. Goodbye, Uncle Sam.
Are you still sad?
Not anymore.
Pippin went home.
That is the best thing.